Hello and welcome to Chrome Story, where we talk about Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers as well. So today we're going to look at Atlas, and I'll show you how to install extensions, Google Chrome extensions to be specific. So as you know, Atlas is a Chromium-based browser, so that means any extension that's available for Google Chrome from the Chrome Web Store, you should be able to install them on Atlas as well. So for you to access the extensions page, you go to View and then Extensions. So if you already have any extensions, you will see here. If you want to manually upload an extension, switch to developer mode, and then you can load an extension, or you can open the Chrome Web Store from here and find an extension. Right, okay, yeah, it's asking me to switch to Chrome. Not yet, I have Chrome. So yeah, so I have this extension here. You will see Add to Chrome. That's okay. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome. You will see this confirmation pop up. Click Add Extension and let Atlas do its thing, and the extension will be installed. I'm hoping it's already installed. You can confirm it here. Just reload the extensions page. Yeah, I think it's still installing. So let's try another one. So Boomerang for Chrome. Install the extension. Yep, that's happening. Looks like it's installed. Yeah, it worked. So it's here. You can do pretty much everything that you do on a Chrome extension. You can enable or disable it here, or you can click remove to uninstall the extension. And as I showed you earlier, from View, come to the extensions page anytime to see all your extensions. You can also directly go to the Chrome Web Store and look at all the available extensions and install directly from there as well. You don't have to go to View Extensions and then do that from there. Will the themes work? I didn't try themes before starting to record this video. Yeah, looks like it doesn't work yet. Yeah, I don't see a themes option on here. So okay, for now you can install any extension that's available on Google Chrome. I would say majority of them will work. As you saw in the new tab, direct one did not work, but the Gmail extension, the Boomerang extension that I tried, it did work, and I tried a few others and they all worked for me. So yeah, that is how you install a Google Chrome extension on your Atlas browser. I hope you found this video useful. Click that like button. Let me know if you found this useful. Thanks for watching.